Oh, I forgot to put it in 16 by 9. They're here. Better than to let me hear. Spinning like it's Christmas, feeling like it's Christmas. I'm living like it's Christmas. Take Christmas, spinning like it's Christmas, feeling like it's Christmas. I'm living like
Kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you done beat it like a 68.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would
Christmas, I'm living like it's Christmas. Take Christmas, spinning like it's Christmas, feeling like it's Christmas. I'm living like it's Christmas. Look at my labels. My labels from Amazon just came. I got lots and lots of them. I don't want to mess them up. I'm about to put some of my stickers on my things. They got one for cereal. Yes, I was hoping they sent more than one cereal one because I do have 3 different ones for cereal. Let's see what else we got. I don't think they sent any for my dogs, so I still can't do my spices. I thought they was gonna send some for my spices and they didn't. Girl, so I gotta order separate labels for the spices. Let's do one. Okay, cereal. To go right here. Oh, I don't want to mess it up or make it crooked. I hate crooked stuff. It's so noticeable. Oh my god! Yeah, it looks so good. Got a new paper towel holder. 2 of them actually, because I may mount one of them this way to go in the guest bathroom. I think it comes with screws. Let's see. Okay, my battery's blinking. If it dies on me, I'm just going to finish this off camera. But I want to put it under here like this, but I'm worried that, because that light, when I leave them on sometimes at night, they get hot. I definitely wouldn't want to start a fire. This is just a little simple one that I just took off. So it would hang like that from underneath. But these screws are too long. The screws that it comes with is too long because I just kind of took my hand and kind of like just did like this to see. This part is thick, but you're obviously not mounting it directly on the end like this. Yeah, it's not wide enough anyways. One of them would dangle off. So coming directly up under here instead, it's not thick enough, which basically means it would come through here, and I don't want that to happen. But it came with this. I wonder how strong it is just for you to pull a paper towel off. It's nighttime, so in the closet it's not as much light as it is out here. Okay, so I put one of the labels on. We got raisins, granola, rice cakes, and spaghetti. I'm about to put some more of them on. Let's see. Okay, so they have all of the labels right here on the back. Okay, so spaghetti is on there. Perfect. They're alphabetized as well. Spaghetti should be on the next page. Boom, spaghetti. I actually have a furniture delivery this morning. My window is 10:20 to 11:20, and it is currently 11:20 right now, so I need to be hurrying up. We're finally gonna have a mirror downstairs, because that's usually the only time I'm probably upstairs in the film room, is if I need to like really sit down and do my hair and sit down and do my makeup, because there is a mirror in the film room, but there is not a mirror, not a full length one downstairs. So oh my god, why did I just put on the moisturizer but didn't put on an SPF one? Yeah, oh, last thing I need to put on my foot lotion. I got up this morning and just kind of worked in the film room a little bit. I didn't really feel like recording me do it. Sometimes I just like to just kind of be, I don't know, just like self-time certain things that I'm doing. And I was just listening to Sarah Jakes, and I didn't want to feel like, I don't like the pressure of feeling like every time I touch something around the house that I should be recording it. So not the pressure, because no one puts that pressure on me. I guess it's just me, myself, knowing that I'm trying to do moving vlogs and things like that. I kind of sometimes just be like, if you're doing this or that, you should record it. But I'm learning to not think that way. I'm going to put on, I still haven't unboxed this yet because I need to film footage of me kind of just opening it for a cute little Instagram reel. I'm going to wear my Tiffany rose gold today because I kind of feel like it matches the vibe of my outfit. And I'm also wearing my Tiffany necklace as well, so you can see the blue and the blue. A little bit of this on to kind of start the day. And today's my dad's birthday, so hopefully I can get out of the house a little bit later. I need to get a card for him. I kind of have the gift already, but I don't have a card for the gift. So yeah, lip gloss, and then I'm going to show y'all the living room where this is about to go. So I need to let my edges just a little bit more. This is where the mirror is going to go. So if you've been keeping up with the moving vlogs, then you all are aware, but due to everything going on in the world, as far as like the out of stock part of it, we won't get the couch until February, so we're just waiting on that. And honestly, to me, when you really want something and it's what you want, it is worth waiting for. So anywho, not to discuss something that's not happening today. So the mirror is gonna go here. I kind of don't want to block this vent. I kind of don't really want to unplug Jeffrey either. Jeffrey's going to stay right there. I may just put these two side by side. I'm excited to see how the mirror is going to look in here, because I'll actually have a visual again of how it looks, so that we can kind of start on the next order of business, which will be like the end tables. There is going to be an ottoman like in the middle of the couch, so we won't really need a new coffee table. Obviously, I'm not trying to just get rid of things and have this room look totally empty right now, so I like the look of at least having something right here until things get swapped out. I need to go through my mail. I hate getting mail, like hate everything in me. I don't know if y'all can see that second table right there. Basically turned into a candle housing section. I may take these upstairs and put them in the hallway linen closet, because it's just candles everywhere. Like look, this one. And the one that I'm currently burning is Sand and Fog. Yeah, wait, my phone is going off. It might be them. Okay, it's not them. And then probably after they leave, oh, I'm going to have to reset Jeffrey. I have to do like a new boundary for him so that he'll know like not to go there. And with the dining room being complete now, I'm gonna have to basically tell him just not to go in there at all because there's carpet, so I don't really need him to mop up that room. So, which I'm sure he's gonna be happy about that. Let's work for Jeffrey. Girl, I just forgot I could use my vacuum on the hard floor setting. Okay, so I'm gonna get like a little cloth and just kind of wipe this area of the wall down. And I want to get like a quick little clip for my Instagram story to go right there. It's the way the light is kind of bouncing on this side and that side, so the wall isn't looking like even. But looking back, I said I was gonna make a whole book to be able to look back and just see how the rooms looked before and then how we changed the rooms, if that makes sense. Oh, I forgot to put it in 16 by 9. They're here. Okay, wait right here, y'all. They're here. Okay, yeah. I can let the garage up if y'all are ready to come straight from here instead of going all the way around. The mirror is going to go just right here in the living room. On this wall.
Okay.
Just kind of right here next to, I mean, not directly close to it, but just
Next to that bank?
yeah, off to the side of it. I gotta get a mask, I forgot. And I wanna film a reel right quick. No, stop calling, I'm busy. Stop it. Video. All right, quick update. I like to just let the camera run so that I don't miss it trying to put it back up right here. They're outside opening, they're not even here yet. They're outside opening the mirror right now because they don't bring the packaging inside, so that's what we're waiting on. Hopefully I got a few good pictures that I want to use for like before and afters and stuff. They're coming again. Oh, yay. It looks so good.
You want like standing up?
Yes. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm sorry. I haven't been able to see myself. I have to like prop my phone up upstairs. Yeah, I don't have a full net mirror down here. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Probably can just black it down a little bit.
Okay, yeah.
And this is for if you want to hang on the wall.
I probably will. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you.
All right, sure, no problem.
We got a mirror. Girl, tell me the camera was running. Okay, the camera was running. Oh my god! We got a mirror! Y'all, we got a mirror! Look at this! I gotta order my picture light on Amazon to go above it that I was looking at. Yeah. Y'all, I don't have to go upstairs to look at myself. I was trying to contain my excitement. I know they was like, what's wrong with her? About a mirror. Oh my goodness. It's huge. Oh my god. Ah! So this is the hanging for liability reasons that they don't hang furniture. I'm gonna get that done. Or probably when I get a rug, it may just be able to still just lean like this because this is how they had it in the store, if y'all remember that footage. I'll link the vlog down below. But it's huge. I'm gonna put the dimensions on the screen or probably just like a screenshot to the side what I bought versus how it looks in the house type of thing. Y'all, we got a mirror. I gotta replace these blinds too because I don't like the little string vibes. Ah, we got a mirror. Y'all gonna get sick of me now because I'm gonna be on Instagram every day. Ah, I guess I could start on getting like the end tables and stuff like that. I saw some that actually match this exact design. Got my squeegee and my infused cleaner. Y'all know what? That was dumb of me to wet my floor down. What was leaking? I knew I should have kept those sale papers. Newspapers, clean mirrors, the absolute best. I'm trying to get all of this packing stuff off of it.
Cause you walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails and a pedicure on. She's forever lazily.
Better than to let me hear
Pause. If you follow me on Instagram, y'all gonna get sick of me now. Y'all, I used to prop my phone up like this, right? To see my outfit. Oh, I just got a paid opportunity with somebody, girl. We gotta check their email. I would step back and like film myself and kind of see how my outfit look and see the shoes. If I didn't feel like going all the way upstairs to the film room. So now, y'all saw how I slid. So now, come on, it's very much giving Temptations, baby. She got a mirror downstairs. I don't gotta go all the way upstairs. I don't gotta film on front camera because I got a mirror right here, right here. Because I got a mirror right here, right here. I'm out of breath. Hold on. I be forgetting I'm still 30, baby. I'm gonna link it down below if y'all want to get the same one because it's tall. Chicken head. And then you had to drop like this and go like that. Y'all didn't know I know that. Ooh. But I drank this earlier when I was working in the film room. I don't know if I'm tripping, but I kind of like, I mean, I've slowed down a little bit now because I kind of was like, okay, calm down, calm down. But like this has me kind of up right now. And like my energy is just, y'all know I'm kind of like, you know, hype type anyways. It's been a few hours since I was like talking to you all earlier. This is one of my Instacart tries. You know how you have to like select for them to pick something else if they don't have it, and she kind of submitted a picture to show me this because they didn't have enough of like the Starbucks ones. A lot of y'all have been commenting that like, Destiny, you been drinking Starbucks since you moved. I don't know what's up with that. I kind of just tried it in Walmart and then, is it Glory?